Hi guys. Well, it's not that good morning for every one of us because we have a fire at our workshop, and I'm gonna show you what exactly happened. The fire began at 6:30 a.m. when everyone was sleeping, and the fire alarm worked, but nobody heard it. And so the fire appears to start here with a shortcut, and it burned down, and that's what we have. Yeah, everything got melted down, and no wires are alive. We just have set some lightning and some lights and some electricity, but mostly this shit is devastated. Actually, here we had our mascot cage, and we were extremely upset that filament might be burnt in the fire, but luckily later in some 30 minutes we found him alive, and he is pretty good. He opened his cage and ran away from the fire, and so this saved his life. Now he's safe at home, and he's gonna be good. And we think that since our ferret is okay, he's our furry mascot, so the workshop gonna be okay as well, and we will restore everything, and everything will be back to normal again. This is a tough task for all of us, and we greatly appreciate your any kind of support if you wish, and we will greatly appreciate your patience while waiting for your orders, because for the upcoming months we will be closed for repairing and restoring. Some work will go, some work will not. We have to understand what happened and what alive, what not alive, and how big the impact is. For now I can say that we are closed for upcoming months. If you have any questions, please feel free to write us, but understand that we will reply in a while. So far, that's what we have. Well, stay tuned and please be safe.